Pronouns. What are pronouns? A pronoun takes the place of a noun in a sentence. For example, if a girl is parent Blossom and a boy is parent Dan, it changes to she and he. Let's look at some examples. She. It is used for a girl or a woman. He is used for a boy or a man. Why, when we talk of two people, we use the pronoun they and them. Let's look at all the examples of pronouns we also have. When we are talking of thing or an animal, we use it. When we are talking of yourself and another person, we use we or us. When you're referring to someone else, you use you. And when you're referring to yourself, you use I.
Replacing a noun with pronoun in a sentence. Kate bought 5 apples. She bought 5 apples.
Ben is going to church. He is going to church. Kemi and Today are best friends. They are best friends. Joy and I visited a park. We visited a park. The dog ran so fast. It ran so fast. I give Peter and Jane books to read. I give them books to read.
My teacher told Paul and me to get the books. My teacher told us to get the books.
Give Anna and Joseph a pack of chocolate. Give them a pack of chocolate. I am dancing. Now this one is talking about myself. You can have my pen. You're talking to someone else.
Quiz. Complete the sentences with the correct pronouns.
Dash is reading. Can you try? She is reading. You're correct. Dash are playing football. They are playing football. You're correct. Dash is writing. It is writing. You're correct. Dash is flying in the garden. It is flying in the garden. You're correct. Dash, I am singing. I am singing. You're correct. Great job. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned so much, friends. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.